how to remove the background of an image in your Mac. So on Mac you have built-in function. So all you need to do is to just open that image where you want to remove the background. For example, this random one. And you have to be in Preview app, which is this icon. So sometimes it's gonna not open in preview and there will be open in preview. So make sure to click it. And now here at the top menu bar is this little icon. So we need to click it and it's gonna remove the background from that image. For any reason, if you don't have this icon here, we want to click in our menu bar tool section and down here is remove background. And if you click it, it's gonna remove your background and now you can just click on file, save it. And now if I open my downloads, this is the new image. It's the PNG and it's without the background. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment and see you next time.